Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today is December 5th and we'll be doing the December 5th box of the Elvis Presley Advent Calendar Build Series. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Please remember to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you missed the previous videos in this series, all the links are down in the description. And for all of my subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in all the time. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you're all having a great holiday season. So let's go ahead and get started with box number 5. All right, let's find December 5th here. There's December 5th right there. So let's get the box. And we'll get that opened up and see what we get. Okay. We have a small picture of Elvis. All right, let's see what the book says. First, let's set this here and we'll close up our box and we'll be sure to put it back in. And there is what we've got going of the new picture. All right, set that aside and go to December 5th in the book. Okay, first off, this talks about the Messerschmitt KR200 that Elvis owned and drove, so that's kind of cool. Not a typical car you would think of when you think about Elvis, but hey, that's okay. Here we have, it says, today you will find a sticker with a colorful portrait of Elvis. Carefully detach the sticker from the backing film and embellish your personal surroundings with the portrait of Elvis. Okay, so this is actually a sticker. I'm not going to stick it to anything right now. Oh, I see. There's the cut. So it's actually a round sticker of Elvis. Okay, well, that's kind of cool. I'm just going to set that aside and hold on to that. And that concludes December 5th for this project. So I will see you guys tomorrow on December 6th. I really hope you guys are enjoying this little series. I am enjoying filming it and doing it. This is kind of something different, but also really cool, I think. So again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hope you all are having a great day. And until tomorrow, just be safe out there and go build something.